Hello everyone and welcome back to Pendulum EDU. And here I have got yet another article to discuss and enhance your word power and vocabulary, you can say. So let's begin with the article without wasting time. The article heads as Toxic Brew on the increase of liquor tragedies. Now I hope that you're aware of the liquor tragedy that took place in Punjab, right? And if you haven't heard of it, not a problem, you would get to know from this article. And you would get a lot many words to use when it comes if you're having a discussion with your friends or if you are there in terms of if you get this article as a closed passage, this would definitely not come as a comprehension, but as a close or maybe as a prior jumble, then you will be aware of the vocabulary words used. It would be easier and it would be simpler for us to connect and to link it and get through. So when I say toxic brew, brew is a noun. It is also used as a verb. See, if I talk as a verb, it means to make alcohol or beer generally. This is common word used. Brew as a noun is a kind of a beer. So you can, in I would say holistic term, you can give it an alcohol. Okay. So toxic brew on the increase of liquor tragedy. The tragedies and our tragedies are increasing day by day. Liquor tragedies can be prevented if states close the gap for hooch. Ensure accountability. Close the gap for hooch. Hooch is an alcoholic drink. Any sort of alcoholic drink can be termed as a hooch. So they say that if states prevent it, and they have to ensure accountability. Accountability is now that is responsibility. They have to ensure that who is responsible, कौन किस बात की जिम्मेदारी उठा रहा है. That if the I would say the supply, if there's a problem in the supply, if there's a problem in the production, who is going to ensure this responsibility or the accountability. Okay, so this is what can prevent liquor tragedies. People have to be aware. Number one, number two, that there should be someone who has to be taking up the accountability of the entire thing that happens, or that may happen. Once again, the scourge of illicit liquor has struck. The scourge, this is used as a noun. Now, scourge is also a verb. Okay, scourge is used as a verb instead when we say causing trouble. But when we're using it as a noun, we say person or the situation that causes trouble. कोई ऐसा person या कोई ऐसी situation जो कि problem create कर रही है हमारे लिए, that is a scourge. So what is a scourge here? The scourge is the illicit liquor. Okay, illicit is an adjective which means illegal. I will wipe off the screen and then jot it down. So scourge, I said noun, which means something that causes trouble. Okay, and illicit is an adjective which means illegal. कोई चीज़ जो कि वैध नहीं है, अवैध है, by government, by law, right? So illicit liquor has struck, this time in Punjab, killing more than 100 people and leaving many crippled. Leaving many crippled, this is used as an adjective here. Many crippled, which means they're affected physically, deteriorated. Okay, or physically hurt. The victims in Amritsar, Tarn Taran and Gurdaspur districts were sold hooch that apparently had a large amount of denatured alcohol. What is denatured alcohol? Denatured is an adjective which means anything can be denatured. It's not just alcohol. It is denatured is an adjective. It can be attached to any noun subject. Denatured means something that is deprived of its natural qualities. Okay, We've also seen the vegetables and the fruits that we have, the vegetation that is made or that is processed. It sometimes the vegetables and fruits are also denatured, but denaturing the, I would say, the vegetables or any particular article to an exceeding degree, this it could relate, it could I would say it could result into these these possible consequences or the negative results or the outcomes like this that we are discussing right here. Okay, consequences is the results. So denatured alcohol, the state government, which is responsible for both excise and law and order, has sanctioned. Sanctioned is a verb which means has approved. उन्होंने इस चीज़ को मंजूरी दे दी है, किसी चीज़ को मंजूरी देना है. Sanction financial relief for the affected families and suspended some policemen and officials in charge of excise enforcement. Wiser after the fact, the police claimed that there was an inter-district racket in operation and made several arrests. On the other hand, the kith and kin of those. Kith and kin is a phrase which is used to refer to friends and relatives. कहते हैं ना, जो मित्र हैं और जो आपके रिश्तेदार हैं. So kith and kin is your friends and your relatives. So they say, on the other hand, the kith and kin of those who died, say the illicit brew. Illicit, I have just discussed, it is an adjective which means illegal. Illicit brew was peddled virtually. Peddle, okay, very important. Peddle is a verb. We're talking about this word. Peddle is a verb which means to sell. But what? Sell something that is illegal or something that is officially banned or by law. It is not allowed. So if you are selling that, you're peddling, like peddling of drugs, right? Peddling of the narcotics. We've heard of it a number of times. We've heard in news, we've read in newspapers, if you read articles. So peddling, drug peddling, right? So was peddled virtually in the open by small time vendors. मतलब वो बेच रहे थे. Okay. Some of whom have now been arrested. There are echoes in the tragedy of last year's two major incidents involving Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand and Assam, both witnessing large-scale loss of life. So they are quoting the example. They've reiterated what happened in past. The situation that Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Assam had witnessed, there was a large scale loss of life. People had lost their lives. So they have reiterated and they've quoted it as an example of for what has happened now in Punjab. So it says, or this reflects that it is high time people realized the necessity of making wise decisions. Now, this is important to know that the phrase that I have just used, it is high time or it is time. If you use these two phrases, it is high time or it is time, then remember that the tense used is past simple with it. See, if you read the sentence or when I am talking to you and if I say it is high time you learned English language or you practice your vocabulary session, this would or this might sound inappropriate to your ears, but grammatically this is what is appropriate. The phrases it is high time and it is time make use of past simple tense. What is the reason? ऐसा क्यों है कि हम इनके साथ past simple tense use करते हैं? Reason is, इस statement का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि अब वो समय आ चुका है. No, we say this is the time, ये वो समय कि ऐसा काम हो जाना चाहिए था, अब तक ये काम हो जाना चाहिए था, but it has not happened until now. Okay, so since you're talking about something that would have happened, that must have happened in past, but it has not. Okay, so you make use of past simple, that is verb's second form. So that is why I have used realized here. So please remember this. This may be asked in terms of phrase replacement, sentence improvement, error spotting, and maybe your filler questions. So it is important to understand. Moving ahead, it says, moreover, there have been fatal outcomes. Fatal is an adjective which means deadly. कहते हैं ना जो बहुत खतरनाक होता है कोई चीज, that is fatal. Outcomes is a noun which means results, किसी चीज का परिणाम. During the COVID-19 pandemic, as people desperate for alcohol, कहते हैं ना जो लोग बहुत पे करा रहे हैं भाई, they want alcohol, they're desperate, they're eager to have it. For alcohol, consume hand sanitizer as a substitute. Now see, because hand sanitizer has the alcohol content in it, people were so desperate that they took the intake of hand sanitizer as a substitute to alcohol. Most recently, this took place in Andhra Pradesh. Almost every year, India's moonshine market inflicts tremendous destruction in the form of blindness. India's moonshine market, here जो चांद के जैसे चमकता है, but it is still, see, this moonshine market, moonshine is that it appears that it is there, it has its own light, but it doesn't have its own light, right? Moonshine is an adjective which means to an extent something that doesn't make much sense. Tissue damage and death, as commercial alcohol becomes expensive for less affluent and corrupt bureaucracies allow. Okay, so it says as the alcohol or the commercial alcohol becomes expensive for the people who are less affluent, who are less wealthy, who don't have much money. Okay, पैसा, या आप कह सकते हो परिपूर्ण, भरा पूरा, that is affluent. And what happens? Corrupt bureaucracies allow that void to be filled by illicit liquor vendors. अब फिर क्या होता है जब भी आपके दूसरे लोगों के लिए महंगा हो गया liquor, so to the corrupt people or the bureaucrats, they allow the use of, or they allow the supply of the illicit liquor, and they give approval to illicit liquor vendors who almost invariably means always, हमेशा, बिना कोई रोक टोक के, बिना रुके, invariably, which is an adverb, use toxic methanol instead of ethanol. Now, ethanol की जगह what do they use? They use toxic methanol in it, and this is what affects the health of people. Policies that fail to contain illicit alcohol produce long-term health impacts, as people tend to consume brews that have higher concentration of alcohol or toxic substances as methanol. This should be particularly alarming for Punjab. Alarming is an adjective which means ये उनके लिए बहुत हानिकारक होगा या उनके लिए बहुत मुसीबत भरा होगा for Punjab, which continues to simultaneously battle significant level of narcotic drug use. From a medical viewpoint, the availability of licit spirit, licit is legal, जिसे हिंदी में हम कहते हैं जायज़. Licit is the opposite to illicit, okay? That contain low alcohol levels combined with a sustained public health campaign to wean people away from drinking habit. Wean, to separate, okay, अलग करना. तो वो अलग करे लोगों को, just taking away कि उनका जो drinking habit है वो खत्म हो जाए. And to warn them about the effects of contaminants are key interventions. Okay. Further, it says health communication about harm from alcohol is particularly relevant or important. कहते हैं ना महत्वपूर्ण. Another word is pertinent. During the pandemic, since there is evidence, proof sabut, proof of reduced immunity to viruses among those who are chronic alcohol consumers. As the World Health Organization points out, governments should regulate the quality of legal alcoholic drugs while actively tracing and tracking illicit alcohol. This can be achieved only through cooperation from community, particularly from women groups. Tragically, several states give low priority to revamping the excise administration. Revamping, renovating. किसी चीज को बेहतर बनाना. To make something, to bring something in a better situation. Okay, they must show determination to end the flow of toxic brews that kill scores almost every year. The capability of the health system in every district needs to be raised to reduce the damage from methanol through immediate, simple detoxification therapies. So they should apply or make use of simple detoxification therapies to make people come out of this, okay, and reduce the damage that methanol has on the people's health immediately. So this was the entire article. What has happened in Punjab, why it has happened, who were affected, what are the other examples pertaining to it. I took in the grammar concept to discuss with you right here this that it is high time and it is time that we've discussed. Then these are the words that I have to discuss with you from this particular article today. Now, the word that I would take with you for today would be licit. Now, licit and illicit. What is licit? Licit is something that is legal, and illicit is something that is illegal. So, just opposite. This is jaiz, this is najaiz. Both of them are adjectives. Both of them are adjectives. So these are the two words probably you can say that we've taken for the day. You can get the entire list of the words that we've discussed today on the site in the study material section. So do not forget to practice the words. I will see you in the next session with another article to discuss with you people. Okay? Do not forget to hit the like button to the video and subscribe the channel for more such sessions. Thank you so much.